Good morning, everybody. My name is Bryce Kirkpatrick. I'm the turf program director here at Real Turf Solutions, and I kind of want to go over today, do a little Tuesday tip of kind of what to expect if you're part of our weed control program services, or possibly you may have somebody else doing your weed control program. On our regular scheduled service visits, we are always going to come. We're going to make our visits to your property, whether it's applying a pre-emerge application that day or applying a fertilizer. And so what you can expect to kind of see throughout your yard on most occasional visits is you're going to see some blue marker paint. Blue marker paint, the little blue spots in the yard, we use that product. It's basically like a food color, and sort of is basically what it is, and we use that to be able to tell what weeds we've previously treated, so that when we're doing our applications, we know that we hit every single weed when we're doing our fertilizations. And after that, the crews will leave a sign out by the road. That sign is good to make sure that people around you, whether it be your neighbors or somebody walking their dog down the street and everything, to kind of let them know that, hey, something has been applied here, and for them to, to keep their children off or dog off. And even that, we also ask all our clients do the same thing once we've applied our chemicals. We always try to, iterate to at least keep your pets or children off of the turf for at least 2 hours to allow that dry time of those products applied that day. It's not really something that you need to be too over concerned about. All our products are safe and pet friendly, but we just alliterate that issue because we want to make sure that we're keeping you safe, because that's our number one goal here at Real Turf Solutions, is doing our job and doing it safely and efficiently. So, and then also when we're done, we're going to leave a piece of paper on your door, and we'll also send you an email that lets you know exactly kind of what was done that day, what product was applied. And also kind of give you an idea whether or not you need to water in a certain time frame or don't water in, because a lot of our products we apply work really great when they're watered in, especially for our pre-emerges and our fertilizations that we do during the summer months. So just kind of want to touch base with you, kind of let you know what to expect when we make our applications, and kind of give you an idea of why we kind of use the products we use as far as the blue dye, and why we ask you to keep your pets and children off. And then of course we put that sign out there to kind of keep your neighbors safe as well. So just wanted to touch base about that, and also just wanted to kind of reach out and remind you that we did that special that we just released not too long ago, where if you're not a client of ours and you're looking for a weed control program, we're offering a 10% off of an aeration service if you sign up with us for a full service program, weed control program. And what that entitles is if you sign up with us and by the end of February and you want to take advantage of that aeration service, you have until March the 15th to pay in full for that service, and we'll apply that discount to it. And this is also good for our clients that are current. If you are interested in doing aeration that we're going to be getting ready to do here soon when springtime rolls around, it's the same thing for you. If you decide you want to do aeration service, reach out to us. We'll be glad to give you a price on that. And you have until March the 15th to pay in full for that service to get the 10% discount. So if that's something that you're interested in, or if there's other things we can help you with, we do other services. Preventative fungicide, I know that's a big thing coming up, and we'll probably touch base on that later on in another video, especially with all this rain we've been getting here lately. So if we can help you out, give us a call at 478-988-0043, and we'll be glad to give you a